Hello everyone and welcome to the second episode of The Drinking Geek. I'm your host Justin and we have hit July full stride. It is over 100 degrees today and I figured I would bring a nice refreshing beach drink to you for this week. Today's drink is inspired of course by the first ever blockbuster directed by Steven Spielberg in 1975, Jaws. So let's get to it. Today's drink is called the Shark Bite. It's pretty simple. Our ingredients are as follows. We have tequila, blue Curacao, vodka, and grenadine. And to top it off, a mini can of Sprite. This size is important, and you'll see why in a little bit. All right, let's get pouring. To start, we are putting equal parts grenadine and equal parts vodka into this shot glass right here. So we're gonna wanna start the vodka first because it's a little lower than the grenadine. And then we add the grenadine. Ooh. There's the shot. Now is the tricky part, all right? Don't blink, you might miss it. You hold it very carefully, try not to spill. You take your cup, put it on upside down, slide it right up to the butt of the glass, and flip it, all right? The red is your blood. All right, so next we're going to equal parts blue Curacao and equal parts tequila. Pour right on top of the shot glass in the middle. Beautiful. And finally, our Sprite, which is gonna give it a nice ocean blue color. Pour that right on the middle as well. Now, it wouldn't be complete without a shark and an umbrella. There's the drink itself. Now, this drink is designed to be a little bit of a shooter. So what you're gonna do after you make the drink, you put your fingers in, grab the shot glass, and pull it out. And there's the bite. It's a strong one, so be careful. You know what they say about shark bites. The tequila will kill you. Ooh, yeah, it will. Here it is, everyone, the Shark Bite. A nice refreshing drink for this very hot summer. And just in time for Shark Week next month. So if you're gonna have a Shark Week social distance party, here you go. If you've enjoyed this video, do me a favor, like, share, subscribe, and comment so that we can get higher on the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, and see you next week. You know what they say about tequila, right? It'll tequila ya, right, Wilson?